What is sniping? Sniping involves getting a token's contract address before its launch and executing transactions quickly once it goes live, aiming to be the first to buy. This strategy can be extremely profitable because you are getting ahead of other buyers, which leads you to much higher multipliers. To begin sniping, click the link in the description and join the 3 required groups. After you've done that, you need to know that it's crucial to configure your settings before sniping. After some experience, I've discovered settings that work reasonably well. The message containing these settings is available in the description below. This is what they look like. It will take this amount of the tokens once you reach this goal. You can edit this if you'd like. Now, with your settings in place, navigate to the Snipe section to monitor your sniping positions or initiate new ones. You can see my positions here. Simply paste the token's contract address and specify the amount in SOL you wish to invest. When the token launches, your transaction will be processed if there are no errors, and you can track it under the positions command, which displays your profit and loss. As the bot follows your take profit configurations, it will update you as each take profit goal is reached. Keep in mind that you can only maintain up to 5 snipes or positions simultaneously. However, you can expand this limit and unlock numerous other benefits by subscribing to their service for just 1 SOL per month. Subscribing enhances transaction speeds, enables sniping within 0.25 seconds, and provides insights into other users' sniping positions. It's definitely a worthwhile investment.